Hey traders, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 apps that every single trader needs to become successful. Whether you are a beginner in the market or you have experience and are advanced, these apps are going to help you maximize your trades and keep you updated with the market. So if you are interested in the video, watch until the end and let's get into today's video. Hey traders, welcome to Traders Room SA, talking all things Forex. Welcome back to the channel. So we are on the road to 50,000 subscribers, so make sure you click the subscribe button down below. But other than that, let's get into today's video. I'm going to be showing you 5 apps that I personally use and other traders around the world use to stay in touch with the markets and be successful in the market. So if you guys have not seen the previous video on how to grow a small account, I will link it in the description below, and make sure you sign up with the best broker so that you guys can have tight spreads and so that you guys can flip small accounts. So the very first app that is important, or the very first app that is commonly used in the retail trading world, is MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So that is the very first app that I use and that I do recommend, So we've all been exposed to other trading platforms such as IQ options, those other apps where you just click one button and you told that you set, in terms of your trading. So MetaTrader 4 is really professional and it's really going to set you apart from all the beginners, and it's a user-friendly app. So if I go onto my phone right over here and I log on to my MetaTrader, and you guys can see right over here, it's a very user-friendly app and trading platform. The codes are here. It shows all your currencies, it shows all your indices, and then right over here it shows your spreads, it shows the time. Let's say you're waiting for top of the hour. This is just a perfect app. There's so many drawing tools that you'll find on MetaTrader, and it's just user friendly. Some of your most favorite traders and successful traders across the world use MetaTrader. I personally use MetaTrader 4 because of the broker that I use. The same broker that I use, which is INFINOX, also offers services on MetaTrader 5. So you guys can check them out in the description. Yeah, guys, that's my first app that I recommend that every single trader should be having on their phones or on their laptops as well. All right, traders. So the second trading app that you need as a trader is IX Social by INFINOX Capital. So this app is a copy trading app that allows you to copy trade with some of the best traders in the world who have experience in the Forex market. So first of all, we need to understand what copy trading is. So copy trading is one of the easiest ways to trade. And copy trading allows you to trade with some of the best traders in the world. And all you have to do is click one button and you get to trade alongside some of the best traders. So this gives you the opportunity to get the same return on investment as these pro traders. And it's basically a hands-free process with little to no effort. So one thing I do like about IX Social, you get to trade any trading instrument, whether it's Forex, indices, commodities, everything is just there. And you just need to choose the pro trader you want to copy. And another thing about the app, it's just user friendly and the layout is just simple. Another thing that I discovered about the app is the live track records that they do have of some of the top traders. They do have leaderboards as well, so that you guys can choose the top trader that you guys do want to copy from. And this will help you with risk management, and you do get to discover other trading strategies that will be beneficial for you as a trader. If you are watching this video and you feel like you are a consistent and profitable trader, you are also able to become part of the pro traders, and you can have the opportunity for people to copy your trades, and it's a great way to earn commission and monetize your consistency and just your skill as a trader. The iX Social app can be downloaded via the Apple Store or the Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you can simply press create on your profile to start a new iX Social profile. Once you've completed the quick form, you are able to link your INFINOX account and you have the option to become a copier or a strategy provider. Once all of that is done, you can connect your app to the MT4 or MT5 server and you are ready to go. So traders, the third app on my list has to be investing.com. So investing.com gives you news updates, economic calendars, trading sentiment, trading holidays, it gives you just a lot of information that you can use as an investor. So this app is perfect for traders who are into trading economic events such as FOMC, the very first Friday of the week, NFP, so let me get into this app and just show you what it's like. So this app is just going to give you updates about NASDAQ and just indices, stocks. You guys can see here commodities, currencies, cryptos, just a bundle of different trading assets. Over here you can see there are news updates. If you guys are into stocks, there's just everything for investors, whether you trading forex, whether you trading stocks, guys. It's just everything in one for traders who do trade economic events and are into reading news. So we're all different as traders, and this is just one of the apps that I do encourage you use whenever you're looking at economic events or if you want to trade. Let's get into the next app. I cannot continue this video without mentioning this very powerful app that every single trader is supposed to have, and that is TradingView. So TradingView is a forecasting app, and it's an app that you can use for analysis. And yeah, guys, it just has so many benefits. So one thing that I do like about TradingView, it gives you the opportunity to set alerts, at certain points in the market. Instead of just using a MetaTrader 4 and 5, you can easily set certain alerts at certain areas and go on with your day, and then your phone will ring and, it will just tell you, yo, the market is at this specific price. Another powerful feature that I do like about TradingView is the backtest feature, where you can backtest your trades and go back into the market and use the replay mode to see and test out your strategy and just to forecast certain moves in the market. So that's just like one of the benefits that I can mention right now. Some of the best traders in the world use TradingView, so I'm gonna go onto the TradingView app. And yeah, guys, it also gives you the option to zoom out, and it gives you the option to view the markets, from an eagle's perspective, unlike MetaTrader where you can't really zoom out to see. So yeah, man, this app is available on your laptop and on your phone. So here I'm on NASDAQ, and if you guys see, it gives me the opportunity to zoom out and just gives me the freedom to navigate the market. So that's TradingView for you. It has so many tools. You guys can just see, like the tools that are available on this app. It just takes a bit of time for you to figure out the ins and outs of this app, but once you have it on lock, it's really worth it. And I really love TradingView. You can easily use TradingView to analyze your markets and then MT4 to execute your trades. So you guys can do more research about TradingView, and let's move on to the final app. The last app that you guys are going to need as traders, okay, I personally don't use calculators, forex calculators, but forex calculators are very powerful tools that you guys can use to set out your stop losses, and calculate the amount of pips you guys are willing to risk on certain trades. So one of the forex calculators that I do have right over here is a forex calculator where you basically choose your account currency. So you just add the currency that you're using. Right now you can see I've set my account currency to rand, right? So let's say you have a 1000 500 Rand account balance, and let's say you entering Euro USD and you want to set a stop loss of 20 pips max, so you're gonna add 20 pips right over here. That's your stop loss, and then you're gonna add a percentage that you want to risk in your account. So let's say you want to risk a 3%, or let's just say 4%. You're going to say calculate. So the app will show you the exchange rate. So right now it's at 17 Rand 59 cents, and then it will show you the amount that you've risked, which is 60 Rand, and it will give you the lot size that you should use for your trade, which is 0.02. That's how you use the calculator. Obviously, if you're using different apps, it's going to work differently, but the Forex calculator is something that you should use if you are a beginner and you don't know how to calculate risk manually. So that is the end of today's video. If you found that helpful, share this video with your friends, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Cheers.